beautiful people, it's your girl Carol NG here again, and welcome back to this channel where we grow and glow. So it's a beautiful morning from where I'm shooting from, and today will be a very busy day for me, and I decided to tag you along as we do house chores. It's a holiday, so I'm going to be having all my time to do every cleaning, every sort of cooking today. So let's get started. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So bad I'm waking up in a very dirty kitchen. Hata sufuria ya kupika chai sina. So I'll start by washing those utensils as I prepare our breakfast. My milk is here. I normally get very good milk from a certain milk bar. Yep. So let's wash utensils as we prepare breakfast. Then I'll take you to the next stage. But let me first draw my curtain. Yeah, let's do it, guys. I'll also be cleaning clothes. You can see I have a whole laundry basket. Hata sielewi vile tumevaa hizi nguo. I cleaned clothes on Saturday. Just look at this. A whole laundry basket for two. But I'll do the cleaning. My soaking water is already there. I've already prepared it. I'll only do the jig. Separate those that I'm washing using jig, the black clothes and the white clothes, and we shall go on to clean. I shall also be dusting my carpet. You can see how dirty it is. I'll organize this place. Everything is all over. Actually, yesterday night sikufanya chochote. I was very tired nikitoka job, so I was not able to clean anything. We will be doing all this together. I'll also be washing these shoes. You can see kuanzia viatu za Sunday zote ziko hapa, lakini si mingi sana. I'll also do what? Yes, rather we are doing a thorough cleaning of the house and just trying to make everything tidy as it should be. Just look, viatu ziko kila mahali, as in everything is everywhere. So we are going to be putting everything in place. I have always found it difficult preparing breakfast with a dirty sink, so I had to start by washing my utensils, and either way I didn't have a sufuria to even prepare breakfast. The utensils were not very many, so I took the shortest time to clean them, and I was not also deep cleaning my sufurias because I had done it in a previous day. So guys, my dirty sink is clear now, and I'll just go ahead and prepare breakfast. There it is. I'm not going to be doing my baby's porridge today. Jumasa imeenda sana. She's going to take some tea and a cake and maybe an egg, and that will be good for her to go because it's nearly lunchtime. Tumeamka very late, so I think I should even start preparing lunch before thinking of how I will go to do my laundry. So guys, that's it. I prepared an egg for breakfast and we ate it with some remainder loaf from the previous day, and we were done with our breakfast. I just assumed lunch was almost, that's why I didn't do any heavy breakfast. I've realized it's nearly 12, so I'll be preparing my lunch. I need to first boil my maize, then I'll go ahead and cook my mukimo. So guys, let's do this. I'll do it very fast because sitaki mtoto wangu achelewe kukula lunch.
Whenever I realize that my maize are hard, I normally prefer first boiling them, but if they are soft, I just usually cook them together with the potatoes. You can comment below how you normally prepare yours, but I personally do that. Mokimo is one of the sweetest African dishes, and I'm going to tag along a link of a video I had prepared on the same. I normally first steam my kahorora leaves, after which I normally blend them. Anytime I'm cooking meat, I normally add soy sauce because it normally softens the meat, and either way it normally adds some special taste to the meat.
So lunch is ready. Our mokimo and our beef stew is ready. That's what we are eating for lunch. And I'm surprised that my sink is full again, but I had no otherwise. It had to because I was doing a lot of cooking. At the same time, I've not yet washed clothes. So after we finish eating, I'll get to the bathroom, wash clothes so that we can finish up on this vlog. I've not yet still washed my carpet. I think I have so much to do after lunch. But nitajikaza, we have to finish up this before the end of the day.
Washing dirty baby clothes has never been interesting, and that's why I decided to start with my baby's clothes before I get exhausted. They were really dirty because she had spent the previous day just playing outside with her fellow kids. Hanging clothes normally take a lot of time for me, so I first finished up with the house chores before going to hang them. My carpet really needed a lot of attention, so I decided to first clean it up because I still needed the energy. I have done a video on the same. You can check out on my videos on how I normally dust my carpet because I don't have a vacuum cleaner. Hanging clothes was the last chore I did. This was after I washed the dirty utensils and my carpet, and at this point I was feeling really tired, but I had to do this so that I could rest with no work left. These lines are never interesting to hang on, and that's why I decided to do it as the last chore because someone really gets tired when hanging a lot of clothes.
cooking and there's nothing left. And I will not be cooking supper because we are going to be eating the lunchtime remainder. Yes, you see my sink is clean. So, juu nimechoka sana, I'll just console myself with these fruits. And I'll call it the end of this vlog. So in case you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that in case I upload a new video, you can always be the first to see. Bye bye guys. Let's meet in our next video.